What's up, guys? We're gonna do another display video today. This is the work I've done today is I had to take these two down and do some work to them. Yesterday I installed these here, which was on yesterday's vlog. The sockets were installed a couple of days ago. I'm measuring up those boards right now. I found some more for the display. So they're about, let's measure them. Let's measure one of them and show you how long these are. Not that big, but let's get my tape measure, which is nicely put inside the piano. "35 meters. 35 meters. I don't know why I had to measure that for you guys, but I did. So, this back down here. Full to so the wood for the display. It's quite dark, and it is also raining as well. So, it's about the rain noise on the roof because it is a tin roof. So, looking good. I think we're going to close up the shed now and go inside. Let me just take my jacket off because I like to leave my jacket in the shed. Yeah, this jacket here stays in the shed. Let's close this so that no dust gets collected in there. Let's flick off these switches. I'm going to flip all of them off in case the power goes out overnight so it doesn't short out any of the lights and stuff. Because I already just replaced 2 bulbs about a week ago now, so let's turn these off, and thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.